You're welcome again. So I want to continue from episode 2. Today I will be showing you how to do comments, colors, CSS, links, and images. Here we go. You already know how to start with this Sublime. Come to this place, look for HTML. Let's start with HTML. The title goes here. So here will now be the title of your website. Then put episode 2. If we save this, let's put it inside this folder called lectures. Let me name it as index. It's already there. Let me override this. Alright, so the body. Let's run this and see what will happen in our browser. You can see episode. So episode 2. Nothing in the content. Why? Because we don't put anything in this place. Alright, now in the first thing we have here is comment. What do you understand by comment? Comment is used to exclude a particular code from running or from showing in the browser. For example, maybe I want to write P. Welcome to episode 2. Let's run this. You can see what shows. Welcome to episode 2. This code shows. If I want to hide this code, the first thing I can do is to clear it. What if I don't want to clear it? Maybe I want to make use of it later, and I don't want it to run. You just comment it. How will you comment in HTML? Less than exclamation double hyphen. You can see the color of this thing changes. You see, it will change now. You see, it changes. Where do you want to end the comment? Here, 1 to greater than. Hope you get that. So let me save this and run it from browser. You see, but it's still there. Let's check whether it's there or not. Right click, click on view page source. You can see it's still there, but it shows green. That means it's not right. Why? It's inside comment. See, these are comment. So that's how to comment in HTML. The second one we have is color. How you deal with color in HTML? Alright, let me return this. Okay, let's leave it there. Let me start with this one. Let's call it div. Let me give it style. That was the style I explained the other time. That if you want to style this a particular div, I want to give it color. Let me call it background color. We all know the meaning of background. Background color. Let me put green. What about text color? Text color is called color. Color. Let's put white. Height. Let's put 300 pixel. Width. Let's put 400 pixel. I will explain the meaning of pixel. So what I want to show you now is just color. Let's refresh. Oh, it's too big. Let me use 100 and 200. Now you can see this color. It shows green. There are more than three ways, but I will show you 3 ways. Let me comment this so that it will not run in the browser, or I explain in another tab here. Now there are 3 ways. We have more than 3, but I'm going to show you 3 ways you can define color in HTML documents. Number 1, by color name. Number 2, by color codes. Or let me use number 2 by um, let's say primary color. That's what red, green, blue, RGB. The third one is what by color code. This one is called hexadecimal. Here, now let me start from the first one. Example of first way, e.g., that is we have red, green, blue. You can see the name of the color. If you know any color name, simple. Just be putting it in any way you want it. Let me put blue. What will happen to blue? You see blue. Pink. What will happen? You can see pink. Alright. Now, that color name is very simple. What about the primary color, that RGB? Example of the second way, that is RGB. RGB, it stands for red, green, blue. So RGB, red, green, blue. Okay, now if you want to, and if you want red, this red starts from 0 to 255. Likewise, green starts from this. Red from 0 to 255. That means red can be 0, which is none. It can be 1, which is little. It can be 2, little. It can be 200, it can be 255. That is the end. It can't pass 255. Likewise, green. Start from 0 to what? 255. And this one 0 to 255. That's it. Now, if you now want red to get red, what will you do? I've already told you that if you want red, red starts from what? 0 to 255. Green starts from 0 to 255. Blue starts from 0 to 55. And the color code is RGB. So type RGB. Open bracket. That means if I put RGB like this, it means I am using the second way. So to start the second way is by starting with RGB. Unlike the first way that I just write name. But here you don't need to write name. Start with RGB straight. Okay. The first thing to put inside RGB will be for the first thing, which is red. The second thing to put will be for green. The third to put will be for blue. Now I to get red, that will now be what? This is red. Red will be highest, that's 255. Comma. Green. Green starts from where? 0 to 255. Green starts from 0 to 25. That means I can put 0, which means no green. Comma. Remain blue. This blue. Blue starts from what? 0 to 255. I put 0, which means no blue. This one means no green. This one means no blue. While the red, this one means highest red. So that means this thing will produce red. Let's check it. Paste. Ctrl C. Ctrl S. Then come to this place, refresh. Wow, you can see it gives me red. Why? Because I said I want red, but green in the middle here, I don't want. Blue in the last, I don't want. That's 0. If you want green, now to get green, RGB, open bracket, red I don't want, green I want, 255, blue I don't want. So this